to another edition of the Cocktail Hour here on the World on Wheels. Let's see if we can figure out what we're making today. We've got copper mugs, ginger beer, some vodka, and a few other things, and some limes. So, as you might guess, today we're making Moscow Mules.
Yep.
Okay? And, you know, I have a theory, Tim. You know what that theory is?
No. What is it?
That why people really like Moscow Mules?
Okay, well, what is it?
You can't, want to guess?
I don't know, maybe.
My guess is they just want to drink these out of these cool copper glasses. That's my guess. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. My wife tried Moscow Mules on a trip and said, ooh, we got to make them when we get home. So we're going to make some today on the World on Wheels. And then we're going to try a couple different variations. But your basic Moscow Mule is 2 ounces of vodka. And some people like to use mint, others don't really care. So we're going to take a little sprig of mint here, muddle it in the bottom first. Won't come from our garden right over there, Tim. You think those are weeds, but they're actually herbs. And then we're going to take the juice of 1 lime. And a lot of recipes say half a lime, but I say you could never be too generous with the lime juice.
I was going to try to see if I could help you push that little lever down.
Kind of off to the wrong side for you. Okay, so we'll do that. And I'm going to try to fish that out. I'm going to put some vodka in my glass here. And muddle in some mint and lime. So there's 2 ounces of vodka. Vodka.
Here's.
Okay.
You need this one?
Well, we need it, but put in a little sprig of mint to muddle. A baseball bat, huh?
I could probably do that.
Oh, well, we're already into the thing here. Come on, you can put a lime into the juicer there. Half a lime. Not the little ones, the big ones. There you go. Facing down. Flat side down. See, just like that.
Oh, okay.
And juice that in here. Okay. Then we're going to pour in a little ice here. I'm going to fill up half the glass with ice. Right there. Get some ice from here. More ice in this glass than that one. Okay, and then we top it off with ginger beer. Okay, which is basically like ginger ale, but some people like to call it ginger beer. Pour some in there. Pour about halfway. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a long sprig of mint and kind of float that on the top there. See, we've got another one here.
For looks, I guess.
For looks and garnish, yeah, in case the drinker wants to add a little more mint to their taste there. Alright, so we got 2 ounces of vodka, 6 ounces of ginger beer, and the juice of a whole lime. Then we'll throw in a little lime as a garnish here, hit it with the swizzle stick, and give it a taste. Okay? The swizzle stick doubles as a straw, Tim. So go ahead and give that a taste. Tell me what you think. How's that?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Yeah, not bad. Now, there's a couple different variations. That's your basic Moscow Mule, and we were using the mint. Some people do and some people don't. There's a couple variations. One I saw was where you take a little splash of Contro and pour that in there. So let's try that. And give that a taste. Swizzle that up a little bit. Tell me what you think about that one.
That's pretty good.
Is that better this way or the original way?
Kind of like it better that way because
this way. A little more taste to it.
A little bit more taste to it, and it's not as tart.
Okay. And then the last variation we're going to do, okay, got it? The last variation we do is some people put a little splash of grenadine in there. So we've got our basic Moscow Mule, which you've added a splash of Control, and now we're going to add a little bit of grenadine. My arm's a little sore, so it's hard to pour on that side. Alright, so let's stir that up. And we'll stir that up. Alright, tell me what you think of that one.
That's pretty good too. Although
that's really good.
Although I don't really know if that makes it taste like a regular Moscow Mule or if it.
Well, you had the basic Moscow Mule first, and we've added up on layers to that.
Okay.
So you had the first one, which is kind of mini, a little tart because of the lime, I guess, and then it was good. And we added the Control, which made it a little bit better. And then we added the grenadine, which do you think makes it even better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me try one more taste here. Not bad. All right, so that's our Moscow Mule here at the cocktail hour on the World on Wheels. What's your name?
I'm Tim.
Tim what?
Tim Music.
Okay, and I'm Daryl Music. And this is the cocktail hour on the World on Wheels where we're having our mules in these cold copper glasses. Cheers, we'll see you next time.
Cheers.